it's incredible to know that everything that you've thought of is now it's here. It's a living, breathing thing.
Us being comfortable, I think that's when, like Ashley said, that's when we knew, okay, yeah, we're in the right hands, everything's gonna be good. And just the amount of understanding that you want to have, that you want to know, you want to make it the best possible product that you can deliver for us. And that's what was big. I think that's what helped a lot too, was it's just like you see how things probably should be going. Before it was like, okay, well, maybe this is kind of how it goes. This was kind of, like I said, my first time with, this role, and I was like, okay, well, maybe that's how it happens, and this is the back and forth that we get. And then, working with Brew and Aezion, it's like, no, this is like standard. This is what should be happening.
This product that we've got Aezion working with, and Johnny and I have combed through the internet, and there's no other credit repair company out there that is offering this right now. And just being in credit repair and what we do, and in order to really have client satisfaction, really to deliver on the results that clients are expecting, but still try to maintain somewhat level of affordability for a large, wide range of clients, can be challenging. Aezion has taken our vision and has brought it to life.
For me, bringing clarity to the table is the most important thing. Even if sometimes, if things don't work as per the plan, it's better to communicate and set everyone on the same page so that they can expect, okay, fine, we have 1 month's lag, it's okay, but we know.
The milestones, the breakdown of what's going to happen, when it's going to be completed, has been fantastic. The level of understanding that it takes to kind of go through a process and try to figure out what exactly we want, and then putting their twist on it, and not only accomplishing what we want, but taking it a step further. That's going to help us with our day-to-day processes, pulling reports, the different things that we need, and just making it more detailed, so it's going to help us be a lot more efficient. And just that level of thinking that it takes to really go above and beyond for not just us, but I know for other companies as well.